where I met you a dream. So baby, pull me close up in the backseat of your Rover that I know you can.
Hey guys, oh my god, we missed the bus. We're late. So anyway, good morning people. So today is another day here in Norway, and guys, it's not a beautiful day here today. It's cloudy, as you can see. Look at that. Seems like it's gonna be rain tonight. So it is past 12 noon. And yeah, the weather is like this since this morning. I mean, around 8 a.m. the sun is shining, but only for a few minutes, then hide again. So if you are wondering where I'm gonna bring you today, I'm gonna bring you guys to Ikea. So finally, today we can be able to go there and buy the things that we need to buy. The things that I really need. So I'm still waiting that I can have it for free, but I've been waiting now for a month and still not. And I've been searching in Finland. No, it's kind of hard to get that one there for free. So yeah, I guess it is the right time for us to buy these few items that I might need. Of course, I'm gonna need it. So yeah, first we're going to catch a bus to our bus stop. Then we're going to Oslo. Then that's where we're going to catch the bus of Ikea. Yes, there's a bus of Ikea here, guys, in Norway. It's free back and forth, so it's very easy to go there because they have their own bus. So yeah, we'll see you in Oslo. Okay, walk. Okay, we are not breaking some rules, traffic rules today. Most of the time I did. But anyway, so we are here in Oslo city. So travel time from our place going here in city proper is approximately 30 minutes. Now we're heading to Oslo station. That's where we're not inside of Oslo station, but we're going to catch the bus outside of Oslo station. Today it's not a sunny day. There's not a lot of people here today. Did you see those people over there? That's where we're going to wait our bus going to Ikea. Should we need to run even it's not ready? Okay, no. Okay, they do, so let's do it too. Let's follow the people. We can actually ride a bus going to Ikea, but I prepared to ride a bus of Ikea today so that we can experience the free ride going there. And yeah, it's all about Ikea. So look, if it is sunny, the sunny day, guys, usually this place it's full packed, but since weather are not good, so not much in here. Tron. If I'm not mistaken, the color of the bus of Ikea, it's color blue, right? Yeah. So yeah, I am right. So this is where we're going to wait. I just don't know what time though. Maybe we can check.
A few moments later.
So it is so funny, guys, because we went to the Oslo station right outside. I was thought that's where the bus stop of Ikea, but no, I was wrong. I gave you guys a wrong information. And guess what's the funny? To where we stop here in our bus stop, that's our bus stop, right? The 74 bus, Mountains Road. This is where the bus stop of Ikea as well, here. Oh my god, we waste our time walking, going there. And Yeah, and the bus stop is just here to where we stop. It's crazy, but it's good. We learned something today, and yeah, good thing. I kind of doubt earlier. That's why I called Bernadette, and Bernadette gave me this right information. So Bernadette saved our day for wasting more time of waiting there. So anyway, IKEA bus are late. They said that on what the one, I guess it's 2 now, so 14. They said that 14, but it's already past 2. So let's hope that IKEA bus will come soon. So we're almost waiting here for 45 minutes now, guys, because the IKEA bus will just came like every an hour. Since we missed the 2 p.m., we need to catch the 3 p.m. And you know what? If we didn't just go to Oslo station, we probably catch it, because when we arrive here after a few minutes, the IKEA bus came too. So yeah. And one day on summer, maybe we're going to try this one. I never tried like this, so yeah. So that's what I told you guys. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe, because we're going to try a lot of new things here. And of course, if you want to witness it, please don't forget to subscribe. No. Yay! IKEA.
Here we come.
Yeah, IKEA bus guys is on time. So finally, IKEA bus is on time. They're here. Let them out first. So it is free Wi-Fi. Okay, so we are here right now inside of IKEA bus, and it's good to be here. It's warm, so I'm gonna give you guys a little. You said it seems like bus in the Philippines, but okay, I'm gonna give you a little tour here. There's a step bottom in here, and it's color blue.
Sa Philippines.
Seats, and look at that. That's the ceiling of the bus. That's cool, right? And this is and of course, there's a monitor.
First time naman sa tiyan mo.
We are already here in IKEA, guys. So yes, I am excited, and I know you guys are excited as well. So we have like 1,000 budget. So let's see how much we can buy for 1,000 kroners. So yeah, so aside from buying ukay-ukay, guys, I do love buying things in the house, and I cannot be able to do that for quite a long time. It's because we've been staying at my parents' house, and of course, you know, my mom is, even I'm the one who pay everything there and renovate the house, it's still, that's not my house, and we need to respect my mom, and I know that my mom loved to shop to the house as well. So I just give way. So today it's finally I can do it. I can buy the things that I want, the color that I want. So let's do it. So outside there's a charging station. I assume that's electric car.
Electric car.
And yeah, let's go. Let's go. You excited, or you're gonna? So what you guys wanna go do first?
I don't
Meatball or shopping? I'm excited,
na
guys.
first time
I
naman
know
ni Derry.
I know I can buy a lot of things because I've been here. This is not my first time coming here. This is my second time, but I cannot be able to explore on my first time here. It's because I was with foreigner, and of course their privacy is important. So yes, so Oh, I feel like I want to eat first because you guys told me that that one. You guys told me that the meatball here are the best. So maybe let's eat first, then shopping, or maybe no. Let's do shopping first, so that You're hungry? Okay, Tron want to eat first. Hala. So Ikea have food as well for sale. Let's check what they have. So pizza is $199. Oh my god, look delicious. And they have like slicer. There's some wine. We don't need wine. Let's check their thingy. There's a salmon. It is $69. There's what's that? Habsmax? I don't know what's that, but it's 39 kroner. Yeah, Iris said that the salmon here is cheaper. Iris used to memorize or remember the name of the price. I don't know what's that. Blueberry drink concentrate. There's lingonberry. There is no cranberry. I'm looking for cranberry. Is it juice or wine?
Wine.
No, it's not wine. It's juice. We're going to eat first. Okay. Kids want to eat first. Okay. Let's do it first. Okay, let's try their meatball. You know what? On my first day here, I was really surprised that there's a restaurant here. So let's do it. I don't know if I can film there, but let's try. Okay, gonna picture now. Okay, so my god, look at that. Iris is jumping for excitement. I guess here. Where is Iris go? Okay. So they have some cake. They have some bread. Look delicious. They have pizza. I don't know if we're going to order a meatball here or what. I don't know. Okay, so this is the only place where we can eat, right? So this is where we're going to order. But there is no meatball. So there is no meatball. Let's ask. So we went there earlier, guys. I'm ready to order, but suddenly the guy just asked for the number. Then I said, okay, where I'm gonna order. So I tried to check, and I found out that this is where we're going to order. So the problem is, I didn't bring my phone that who can translate it. So let's try.
Unang dili take out.
Okay.
Ang hotdog.
Okay, that's the choices, guys. There's no meatball.
Pizza.
So, video ko din. There's no meatball.
Muna na.
Yeah, this is the only choices. Okay, pizza. Okay. Drinks.
Muna na. Dessert.
Dessert.
Wala.
Guys, there is no meatball.
Unsa na?
I-try na. Unsa ng red?
Ha? Kana?
Oh, unsa na?
Ambot.
I don't know what's that, but let's try that one. Okay.
And then,
That's it.
busig wala ni napil. Wala na to napil. Pilon sa to.
We're gonna pay 32. 42. Then here.
Ay, daro.
There. Approve. Okay.
Kanta ng number.
Receipt. Then get it there. Oh, see, we're learning. But they don't have meatball. They don't have meatball. I don't know if I'm going to ask there or what. Or I don't know. Let's ask them maybe. Maybe I don't know. I'm confused. But about the meatball guy, let's try to ask them if they have a meatball for sale.
A few moments later.
So this is the funny thing, good thing I learned something like the numbers until 5. So come here, Iris. So here is the thing. So when they called he called like 350 something in Norwegian, I said that, is that 354? She said, yes. So I said that, hey, are you guys selling meatball? He said that it's upstairs. So let's going to go upstairs later and check the meatball. So huy, come here guys. I'm gonna how do you like it? Dili dapat ipadili kita makakita. Huh? You don't like? What's that?
Ikaw man, ikaw dyan na. Ikaw man na, abinaw ka ng yan sa baso.
Ah, okay. I ordered this thing. I was thought that it's separate to bread. They add it in bread. How do you like it?
Naanak ko ma. Tama.
I don't know what's this, but tastes okay. You can get the hot dog. I can get the bread. Imagine it is like what? How many in peso? But it's too little serving, just 2 bread, 1 hot dog, and French fries. Tastes good.
Walang potato.
So this is gonna be the end of these videos, guys. I hope you enjoy our part 1 of these videos. So I decided that I'm going to make like 2 or 3 videos of Ikea videos, because if I'm gonna put it together, it's gonna be like more than an hour, so that's gonna be too long. So I hope you enjoy this video. So if you guys have any suggestions what content that I'm going to do here in Norway, just leave a comment below. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment. And if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe and be part of my journey here in Norway. So for now, I guess it's time for me to end this vlog, and I hope you guys enjoy, and stay tuned for the part 2. You're gonna love the part 2 as well of this vlog. And I guess the third will gonna be like the unboxing, if you are curious what I buy or if I overspend. So stay tuned. So for now, I'll say bye bye. And today it's good weather. Do you want to see outside? I can show you outside before I end this. So here, it's a broken vase, but it's okay. We're going to plant a flower here soon. And yeah, this is how it looks like. Finally, there's a lot of greens here now. When I arrive here, it's color brown because trees are dying, sleeping, but now it's more colorful here. So yeah, bye bye.